How to schedule a post on your Instagram application, right on your iPhone or on Android. Now, you can only do this thing when you have a professional account on the Instagram. So you just need to switch to a professional account. You cannot do it with a personal or with a creator account. So now if we have a professional account on the Instagram, I will simply open my Instagram application and then my ID here. Now what you're going to do is click on the bottom right corner of your screen, that is your profile section. And from this, you're going to choose the three dots on the top right of the screen here. And then here in this option, you're going to see that your account type, if that's a professional or a public account. Now come again on this page, click on this plus option to simply create a post. And from this menu, you have to use turbo tags to simply. Now you have now you have to select the picture you want to simply post it. Click on next. Again, click on next. But on this upload section where you have an option to enter a caption or click on share, you will have an more option on the bottom and then click on this. See the sharing preferences, click on enable sharing this post. From this you can select date and time for the post to be uploaded on Instagram. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.